Surah Al-Bayyinah, the clear proof. This surah is Medinan, containing 1 section and 8 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
لم يكن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين منفكين حتى تأتيهم البينة.
The disbelieving people of the book and the polytheists were not ready to leave their religion until a clear proof came to them.
رسول من الله يتلو صحفا مطهرة.
A messenger from Allah who recites pure scriptures.
فيها كتب قيمة.
Upright rulings are recorded therein.
وما تفرق الذين أوتوا الكتاب إلا من بعد ما جاءتهم البينة.
And those who are given the book did not secede except after the clear proof had come to them.
وما أمروا إلا ليعبدوا الله مخلصين له الدين حنفاء ويقيموا الصلاة ويؤتوا الزكاة وذلك دين القيمة.
They were commanded to worship only Allah, devoting their faith solely to Him and remaining away from all falsehood, to establish the prayer and to give zakat. This is the upright religion.
إن الذين كفروا من أهل الكتاب والمشركين في نار جهنم خالدين فيها أولئك هم شر البرية.
The disbelieving people of the book and the polytheists are in the fire of hell. They will reside therein forever. It is they who are the worst of creation.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات أولئك هم خير البرية.
Indeed, those who embraced faith and performed righteous deeds, it is they who are the best of creation.
جزاؤهم عند ربهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها أبدا رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه ذلك لمن خشي ربه.
Their reward is with their Lord, gardens of residence beneath which rivers flow. They will reside therein forever and ever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. This reward is for the one who fears his Lord.